वरना तू अपने घर का है। ओ पैसा है तो बड़ी बड़ी बड़ी।
So once again, very good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So as per the thumbnail and title, definitely I am going to talk regarding the CS Associate Decision Analytic Associate profile, because the openings are on right now, and yes, they are hiring in a mass number. If you are comparing with any other company, definitely there are chances if your resume gets shortlisted. They used to send test link at least to many candidates. So do check out my description for the test link, the materials for one-to-one connect. If you need any personal assistant regarding CS Associate, DA profile assistant, all the things are there, all the links you can find there. You can apply, you can check the materials, you can even connect with me. But before starting the videos, I would like to introduce myself. Just like you all guys, I'm an IT professional working in Bangalore since last 4 years, and yes, I love making videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience, campus to corporate, even related to IT. If you want to know anything, I can help you in any way, okay? Because I love doing so. And yes, you can check out my channel also. There are more than 700 plus videos consisting of multiple topics that may be of your use or may not be of your taste, but yes, you can definitely check it out. And if for any personal assistant, you can check out my top point link below in the description box. From there you can book a slot with me, connect with me personally, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour sessions are available as per your compatibilities, as per your requirement. You can book a slot with me, connect with me, and yes, get the inline, grab the inline, and yes, make the inline and make the best out of the options that are available for you all guys. तो चलो बातें को शुरू करते हैं. जीएस एसोसिएट DAA प्रोफाइल हायरिंग. Okay, first of all, I'd like to tell you that this is a very good opportunity. Why I'm telling like this? Because the package that they offer for freshers is around 13.65 LPA. And that to the expectation that they are having is not like any Amazon or Google for that kind of package. It's like a basic expectation that they have set for the candidate. But the thing is that you need to be a little bit constrained in terms of your in terms of your resume. They actually want someone who are into the analytics side, who are hands-on experiences on data analytics tools or something like that. So they expect candidates from that area. But general resume also sometimes work a lot. So I'd like to tell that what are the expectations from the candidates. See, if you are having hands-on experiences on any data analytics project, big data analytics project, definitely that is going to help you. If you are having skills like Java, Python and R, that is a kind of a plus point for you all guys. DBMS, RDBMS, SAS, Tableau, Power BI, Business Intelligence, and even apart from this, there should be some case study expectation is there, that how you are into the communication, how you react with the multiple scenarios, how is your public means immediate response to the multiple scenario, and how you make and react to multiple things. Actually, their round are not something only based out of technical stuff or something like that. It's all end-to-end recruitment process which happen in phases. Like phase 1, if you are going for DA profile, it will be like written, aptitude, quant, verbal. Okay? After that, there will be a case study, MCQ. This is not a main what I would say main case study round. It's like a mid one. And after that, there is some video interview, 8 question, 3 minutes 8 each. So this is phase 1, and then you will be moving to phase 2. Okay, phase 1 will be kind of an online. There will be no in person in front of you who will be asking questions to you. But the thing is that you need to be very much constrained, and you need to be very much specific when you are answering any guesstimate. You have to talk on numbers, you have to talk on predictions, you have to talk on analogy, you have to talk on acumen. ओके, सो फर्स्ट राउंड रिटन एप्टीट्यूड क्वांट वर्बल जो सब एग्जाम में होता है वैसे ही होता है. 45 क्वेश्चन, 50 मिनट्स. यू हैव टू मेंटेन द स्पीड. ओके, टेलव्यू प्लेटफॉर्म पे मोस्ट प्रोबेबली होगा, एंड डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म पे मे भी पैटर्न डिफरेंट हो, बट जनरल पैटर्न यही है. केस एमसीक्यू में एक बिजनेस सेटअप के बारे में बात किया जाएगा और उसका एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस कुछ रहेंगे. वीडियो 8 क्वेश्चंस, 3 मिनट्स ईच. ये कर दोगे. अगर ये राउंड क्लियर हो जाती है आपको, तो आप जाते हो केस स्टडी राउंड में. दैट इज मेन केस स्टडी राउंड. ओके, जहाँ पे आपको केस स्टडी प्रोवाइड किया जाता है और केस स्टडी को आपको फिलअप करके अपने एनालॉजी के हिसाब से पूरा कंप्लीट करके सबमिट करना है. Once it is getting logged, you are submitting the case study. People behind the screen will be checking all those case study stuffs and all, and yes, they will be calling you for an interview. That will be a total 1 hour discussion. It's not a one-way interview that they will be only asking question. It will be like a two-way communication where you have to communicate and give the better view. केस स्टडी प्रिपरेशन कहाँ से करें तो चेकआउट में टॉप में लिंक, वहाँ पे केस स्टडी मटेरियल्स है कुछ, यू कैन चेक इट आउट. मैकेंजी की सैम्पल प्रॉब्लम्स है, केस इन पॉइंट बुक्स है, एज पर योर टाइम अवेलेबिलिटी यू कैन चेक दैट विल बी गिविंग यू कंप्लीट equipment to give it. Once you complete case study written round, there will be case study discussion. In that they might ask about guesstimate, puzzle, case study, why ZS, why consulting, why not some other thing. They might ask about their project. If you are having some specific project in Power BI business intelligence, that will be kind of an add-on advantage for you all guys. After that, the last step will be with the HR fit round. That will be a kind of a similar round where they might ask about this case study stuffs and all, but that is named an HR fit round, but that will be similar. One thing that is the kind of a backbone of this interview, that you need to be adaptive, flexible, communicate well, try to analyze the thing, give a better oriented solution in a diplomatic way, and try to give a solution oriented solution driven answer. Okay, it should be not like anything that you are saying. It should be in a proper way, and is communicate well, try to sync with the interviewer, try to be maintain a frequency, and try to grab the best. So it's like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You have to move in this way. And one more thing I'd like to tell you, लाइक जीएस की केस स्टडी मान लो कि इंटरव्यू की मॉक चाहिए तो आप मेरे साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट की लिंक मिल जाएगी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन के बायो में, वहाँ से चेकआउट करके मेरे साथ बुक कर सकते हो स्लॉट. वी कैन कनेक्ट पर्सनली एंड यस can help you out in order to grab this opportunity, because this is one of the great opportunity giving a package of 13.65 LPA. If you feel that you want to grow into the domain of consulting, data analytics or something related to it, this is a very good company to kickstart off. Knowing about ZS, if you want to know, ZS is a kind of a pharmaceutical consultant where major company that to whom they are providing consultancy is through pharma in order to optimize up their business, sales process, or many more things that you can relate and think of. So it's like I hope you got lots of insight regarding the DA profile. अभी भी नहीं भरे DA profile को तो भर दो, क्योंकि मैं पहले बताना चाहा. After that you fill the form, find out in the description box, जो कि just you have to go click and fill up the form that will be going into the ZS site. You have to complete it. If you want to check case study materials, how to prepare, how to plan, because 10-15 दिन लगेंगे इंटरव्यू कॉल आने में एंड ऑल, एंड मैक्सिमम को आ जाता है रिटर्न एटलीस्ट. तो आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो केस स्टडी. आपको अगर पर्सनल कनेक्ट चाहिए कि हम कैसे ग्रैब करना है, क्या प्लान करना है, क्या स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना है, क्या किसे कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करें, मल्टीपल सेशंस बुक करके डिज़ाइन करना है, तो चेकआउट में डॉक्यूमेंट लिंक 10 मिनट 15 मिनट आधे घंटे 1 घंटे का स्लॉट मिल जाएगा. कनेक्ट विथ मी पर्सनली एंड यस grab the best out of the options that are available. चलो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. आई होप यू गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ इनसाइट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. इफ यू फील दिस वीडियो वाज लिटिल बिट ऑफ also informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friend group. तब तक के लिए